teach. We owe our dreams. You like the way.
Happy Teacher's Day to all teachers! Good day to you, Ma'am Cha and Ma'am Kit. Thank you for teaching us. I am grateful to be your student. I'm also thankful to you, Ma'am Cha, our advisor. Kahit po ma-issue yung section namin, hindi nyo kami iniwan at tinuturuan nyo pa rin kami. I am grateful for that. And I'm sorry po na we caused you a lot of stress dahil po sa issue namin. Di na po namin ito uulitin. And once again, Happy Teacher's Day to all teachers and to you, Ma'am Cha and Ma'am Kit. That's all. Thank you for listening.
Happy Teacher's Day! Lalong-lalo na sa aming advisor na si Ma'am Cha. Maraming salamat sa iyong walang sawang pagtuturo at paggagabay. At sa ibang teacher na rin po. Hindi lamang po yun at habang buhay namin tatanawin ang inyong sakripisyo at malasakit. Happy Teacher's Day!
Happy Teacher's Day to our advisor, Ma'am Cha, and to our subject teachers. Your guidance and support has been instrumental in our journey this year. Thank you for your dedication and hard work. We appreciate everything you do for us. So, Happy Teacher's Day again!
Hi Ma'am Cha and Ma'am Kit, Happy Teacher's Day ma'am, and salamat po sa pagtuturo niyo sa amin ma'am na magandang asal kahit minsan mga salawayan kami kasi sobrang ingay namin sa classroom pero hindi ka pa rin sumusuko Ma'am Cha bilang advisor namin. And by the way ma'am, salamat talaga sa ma'am, naging advisor ka namin and hindi talaga kami nagsisisi ma'am dahil ikaw yung advisor namin ma'am, and salamat sa lahat kahit yung mga issue na yan ma'am, never mind. Char. Yan lang ma'am. Salamat ma'am. Ingat ka palagi. Love you.
Salamat sa pagturo sa amin at sa patuloy mo pa sana kami gabayan sa aming landas at alam mo naman makulit kami pero salamat na natitiis mo kami at maraming salamat Ma'am Cha, Ma'am Kit.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Cha and Ma'am Mariki. Thank you, Ma'am, for teaching us. And maraming salamat po dahil pinag-train po kami ng mabuti and pinag-train talaga sa amin kung ano yung dapat pinag namin. And ma'am, once again, happy Teacher's Day, ma'am. I hope na hindi kayo magsawa sa amin, ma'am. Magturo, ma'am, kahit mga minsan pasaway kami, ma'am. Sensya lang po, ma'am. No more drama, no more long message. And happy Teacher's Day again, ma'am. Bye-bye, love you.
Hi, Ma'am Kit and Ma'am Cha. I just wanted to say thank you for your long patience, and even though we're not inside the classroom or noisy, you still give us an advices or courage to do the things that we want to do or achieve. So we wanted to thank you for the bottom of our hearts. Thank you.
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Cha and Ma'am Kit! Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Cha and Ma'am Kit!
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Cha and Ma'am Kit! Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Kit and Ma'am Cha!
Happy Teacher's Day, Ma'am Cha, Ma'am Kit.
To the ones who
Happy Teacher's Day to our amazing teachers and advisor. Your dedication, guidance, and support has made a lasting impact in our lives. We appreciate your hard work, patience, and passion for teachers, and we're grateful for the lesson you've taught us beyond the classroom. Thank you for shaping our minds and hearts, and for being role models who inspire us to learn and to grow.
you see the spark when no one else can. With patience and heart, you make us understand.